another day with you.
I'm
not talking about you, please.
And then yes, that's the ECG4 by this time I'm posting.
Because sister also want to me connected.
I said, chill, be light, come on, so no cost.
No, Miss Richie, when you on it, make me live.
Don't worry, I'll go handle it myself.
Can you give me a minute, please?
Please, I will handle it myself.
Just
okay. Scanner price, that's a fake. Hey!
What else do you want from me?
Please, I want to go and connect the light. Or do you want to sleep in the dark?
No.
Choose your choice.
No, I want us to finish.
Stop getting closer to me anytime you're trying to talk to me. We don't have any differences to solve, so please, shift. Hey, Oga, shift.
I'm showing you something.
No.
No. Let's see. Sorry.
Ew. Please, excuse me. Wait.
Stand there. Why?
Hey! Red!
Sorry.
You want to rape me? My own house. I will sue you. No lights for you for 7 days.
No, don't do this. Come on.
Okay. So, how many minutes? I'm still waiting. Sure. Wait 2 minutes. You still be dressed here. Oh, hello? Oh, okay. Did I give no? I'm coming. Okay. Wait for me. Alright.
Who's chasing this girl?
Hi.
Yeah. Fear.
Are you okay?
Oh, cool.
Are you sure?
Why not?
You don't look like it.
Okay,
Yeah.
no, I'm okay.
If you say so. That's it.
Oh my goodness, this guy is crazy, you know? No.
What you
Yeah. Hold on a minute. I didn't go.
my door faulty or something?
Yeah, of course.
Stella, this door is working perfectly. Ah, wait, you want to lock me outside? My own house.
It's not like that.
Because of what? Your 50 Ghana you gave me for prepaid. Are you normal? Are you okay? What is wrong with you?
No, but...
You're locking me outside my own house. I'm going to do a film comedy now.
No.
Hey!
Belle.
Oh, you're acting like Bella because I'm not original Bella. Why do you need to have the same thing in bed? You locked me outside my house.
As you know, all step out to no name say the object, and besides, now, I son. May obi fie, man, to no be bomb inside hand my channel. No,
is it your house? I just walked out. You don't know what I'm going to do. You can't even wait for like 30 minutes or 40 while locking me outside. Say, oh, what are you up to?
Up to what?
You want to take the house and lock me outside? My own house.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, you want to dupe me?
What you mean? I come in Kwamofia. I don't do anything.
You have the guts to give me 50 Ghana.
But you asked for it. So, I don't know, Bibi, maybe.
Who gave you that money, sir?
Because
looking at you, you don't even have a penny, a kobo, a dime.
I have.
Now, you want to challenge me in my own house,
no,
right?
But when I will be something.
So you want to disgrace me to your friends?
You wanted to disgrace me in front of your sister.
You went outside.
You embarrassed me.
I see.
Huh?
In your own house, you want to feel bossy. You are welcome.
How can I feel bossy in someone's house?
Deal with you. You are feeling bossy. You want to beg for 50 Ghana to give it to me, eh?
No.
50 Ghana.
You might be one of my taking it cool. It's not like this. So I say, never underestimate the power of a hustler. One day, I'll bounce here.
Now, we'll show you. They have some sanity.
Sanka want to be a man.
Me? God forbid. Eh? Me family sick to shoot man. Hey, now sir, what do you do for me?
Why you be that? Tell it in the little bit of this coming to
Stammer. This is shouldn't happen again. This is my house.
I
choose when it to be locked and when it shouldn't be locked.
Oh really? Okay. What can I do?
Stop me! Close the door! Close the door! Why? So because I said, this is my house, the door was already closed. Who be out of? You want to marry? Let me get malaria. Now when I say yes, can you to come? You daddy reach at the end of ya.
I'm not looking at now.
Okay, leg me broken chest. Now they are mommy pussy. Hey.
No, I'm kind of committing. I don't know what to say. Who was he?
How is that your business?
Oh.
Why are you poking your nose into my face? Guy! Think about your life, think about yourself, leave me alone. What is this?
Guy, no, before now, they promise you. No,
he's so sweet and darling, he's not like you. And he's not poor. That's the most important.
But I'm not a poor guy.
You are poor!
No, I want you. So
no, you just ask yourself, hustler DB, when you capre, go brand Ushi, meaning Sabongo said, what shall I bear? Why you to me talk when I say you're not poor? You are poor, original poor, no fake.
Hey, Casanova.
We will rise above the waves, 'cause we've got love and we've got ours. We will rise above the waves, 'cause we've got love, we've got ours. Just a little we need in this world of many. And the reason
The brand is solid, so he fight, make you know they hit. 'Cause I just didn't start. Very rich or sweet. I'm almost done, man.
Yeah, I can see you're having fun.
Yeah.
You know what? Let me help you out. It's okay, let me do the rest for you. I know you're almost done, but let me finish it. Okay?
How's the taste of it?
What did you cook?
Jumbo fries.
Wow, do you know that's my favorite?
You never
Oh
told me.
my god!
This is
yummy.
I've not tasted, but it looks yummy. Ooh,
I tell ya.
this is nice. Who told you how?
No.
Who showed you how to cook? Who taught you? Your mom?
No.
Who did?
Yeah, me, I don't know. Me.
YouTube.
No, YouTube.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It tastes really good. It's nice. My mom is really going to enjoy this. Are you sure? You learned it yourself. Hey, what is it?
Where were you?
Around the world.
I should have met you a long time ago.
Oh, what's this? What's up?
Yeah.
Sis.
And then I don't know.
Oh, he's almost done. I'm trying to help him out. He's almost done. I'm not a agent.
How is this your business? Eh? Why are you doing this? This is his job. I didn't tell Esther. How is this your business? Says what?
I'm trying to help.
Put it back. Put that thing back. Let him fix it. Put it back. Let him fix it. Put it back. Let him fix it. And you, this is your job. So fix it. Meet me outside. Now.
I'm coming.
Okay. I'm done.
This is so unfair.
It's cool.
I came in about 10 minutes ago and look at what she's saying. Alright.
Don't really need some or something like that. Go to the wise.
See you in a minute. Ow!
Sorry.
See you in a minute, okay?
It's fun, dude.
Away from. Listen, I don't have a problem with you standing there with him. I don't even care. But he's working here. I want him to respect you. Why would you even go ahead and do things that he's supposed to do? Hey, Juma, also, you know what I say? How would he even respect you as my younger sister?
Sis, I understand where you're coming from, but I was just giving a helping hand.
No, but that is his job. So allow him to do it.
I know, but I was
Please.
trying to.
Please, he's employed to do that. So let him face his chores. You're not supposed to. Because besides, growing up with you, I didn't want you to stress yourself. And I don't want that to happen.
I know, okay.
So please, let him do his work
That's
in
it.
this house.
It's actually nothing.
I said, let him do his work. I'll be inside. The sun is scorching. So just allow him to do his work. Please.
Allow him to do his work. What is wrong with me helping him in the first place? I can see the plan is actually working.
First time I'm working on Gino's and sister Penny be away in more than 10 years.
Hey! Abrewa.
No.
When Abrewa da?
Baking when I was 15 years. She
Oh, okay,
was
so-
like 25 years.
But why that age interval? I don't know phobia or
So I'll say I crash on so sad. I don't know. See me so no, like how she told me just to come to her room. And you know, she told me it's a menstrual chimano.
wow.
I was shivering and panicking.
And that was it.
I didn't know what to do.
Okay. So how was the feeling like? Did you enjoy? Were you scared? Did you cry?
I cried. I after I did it.
But you enjoyed.
Yeah, I was naive, so you feel it. I didn't know, but I saw me them no. Trust me. Always be an army push it to her. But you me baby TV, but you
why would you do that? I was 15.
15 years. First time I meet me home with sperms. I was like,
you were shivering. Yeah, break you. Oh my bro, I break you. Next time when you want it. In your next life, just wait for me.
Slow down and look into my eyes. Tell me what you see. Ooh, this is like the movies. To be honest, never thought it'd be this way. You are everything and more I have ever wanted. You got me yours, and truly am yours. I have been wandering, but with you I'm found. You shine your light, now I can see you are the one I've been waiting for. What I've been dreaming of, heaven I've been longing for. With you my heart will be our home. Tell me or just a dream. 'Cause I would love to wake up by your side.